Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor Gemini account security. Let's get straight into the video. First off, account security dashboard. How you want to access that is by first off accessing your Gemini account online or through the mobile app, and then you want to click on accounts or security to access the account security dashboard. Now you can always just once you're there, review your account security settings, including two-factor authentication, password strength, and account alerts. Now for two-factor authentication, you want to make sure that you enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. You also want to choose a two-factor authentication method such as Google Authenticator, or you could use Audi, or of course you could use SMS, and then just follow the setup instructions to configure your two-factor authentication setting. Now for account alerts, you want to make sure that you enable account alerts to receive notifications for specific account activities, and you can of course choose the type of alert that you want to receive, such as login attempts, withdrawals, or large transaction alerts. And you could also set up your alert preferences, including notification method that could be email or SMS, and you can also set the frequency of alerts. For login history, you can always just view your login history to detect any suspicious login attempts. You also want to make sure that you check for any unusual activities, such as logins from unfamiliar locations or devices. Now for API key management, you can view your API keys to ensure that they are secure and up to date. You should also rotate your API keys regularly to maintain security. You also want to revoke any API keys that are no longer needed or are compromised. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to monitor Gemini account security. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.